Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can play Monopoly Go with the new airplane mode glitch. So once you open your Monopoly Go app, as you can see on your screen, you just have to change your settings into airplane mode. So from here, now once you set this into airplane mode, as you can see here, then all you need to do, you can just play your Monopoly Go right here. Now, if you don't want where you landed on this board and you think that you just wasted your dice rolls, well, all you need to do here is you just have to close your Monopoly Go and just need to reinstall this application. So let's close the application first. And once done, go to the Monopoly Go icon and you just tap and hold and click on uninstall. Now, once you uninstall your game, you just need to go back to Play Store and you just need to re-download or reinstall this Monopoly Go app. And once you're done reinstalling this application, you can just play and all of the dice rolls will go back and you can start it again. So all of the dice rolls will not be wasted. So that's it. That's how you basically use that Monopoly Go airplane mode glitch. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.